You've been asking some great questions, like what is the size of the Tesla tiny house? How is it possible there's no land cost or land tax? And most importantly, when will it actually be available for purchase? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep to answer all of those questions. After researching Tesla press conferences, insider leaks, and official reports, I've gathered everything you need to know, all in one place. But here's something most people aren't talking about. While everyone is focused on the benefits and hype of the Tesla tiny house, we'll also explore some of the real challenges and limitations that potential owners might face. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether this futuristic home is truly the right choice for you. Thank you for supporting our channel Next Tech Check, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in technology and answer the questions you care about most. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's jump straight into it.
Probably, well, I tend to be a little optimistic with timeframes. But in 2026. So, yeah. Before 2027, let me put it that way.
You might not believe it, but Tesla's next project could completely redefine the global real estate market and launch humanity into an unprecedented revolution. Tesla tiny house ultra-sustainable, ultra-affordable, and most importantly mass-produced like a tech product instead of a traditional construction, and will start at just $7,999 and is expected to debut in 2026. For the first time, Elon Musk is shifting his focus from convincing people to drive electric cars to helping them live in sustainable homes. And this is no coincidence. For years, buying a house has been an overwhelming burden for millions, especially young people and middle-income families. As real estate prices skyrocket and rent costs spiral out of control, Elon Musk emphasizes that Tesla, having already made EVs mainstream worldwide, is fully capable of building homes like cars delivered in a box and assembled in just a few hours. Instead of spending months hiring builders, electricians, and plumbers to construct a house with endless risks of delays, budget overruns, and land issues, Tesla is turning the home into a packaged product manufactured directly at the Fremont factory with automated robots, then shipped anywhere, just like a car. This is what the Tesla tiny house promises. So what's inside a 280 feet home? How do you order one? Discover it now. What sets the Tesla tiny house apart from other small home models is the way it's produced entirely like an industrial product. The entire structure is built at Tesla's Fremont factory, where the manufacturing process has been refined to near perfection and is run by automated robotic systems. Here, load-bearing walls, kitchen modules, living spaces, and bathrooms are all prefabricated. Electrical wiring, plumbing, and ventilation systems are installed right in the factory using plug-and-play technology, ensuring that by the time the house is delivered, it's nearly complete and requires only a few final connections. Unlike traditional homes that rely on fragile drywall or less durable materials, the Tesla tiny house is constructed with reinforced steel framing, high-strength concrete panels, EPS insulation foam, and multi-layer composite sheets. These components are compressed under immense pressure up to 264,000 pounds, forming rigid modules with standard dimensions of about 8 meters long and 3.6 meters wide. This design allows the entire house to be both highly durable and light enough for easy transport. When leaving the factory, the Tesla tiny house is compactly folded into a rectangular block, compatible with standard trucks and shipping containers. The average weight of a module is around 5,400 pounds, making it possible to transport it anywhere, even to remote areas. Of course, Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla will collaborate with Boxable on this project, as they are an experienced partner Elon Musk trusts. Previously, Elon Musk lived in a tiny house provided and installed by Boxable in Texas for 3 months. This is believed to be Elon's way of experiencing the house himself, before bringing it on as a Tesla project. Upon arrival, the installation process takes only a few hours. The modules are unfolded and placed onto a foundation, which can be steel screw piles, precast concrete bases, or adjustable support frames. After that, all electrical and plumbing systems are connected using waterproof quick connectors, followed by system testing. Within just 1 to 3 hours, the house is fully operational with all functions in place. A remarkable difference compared to traditional construction projects that usually take months. In terms of durability, the Tesla tiny house is designed to withstand a wide range of harsh conditions. Thanks to its reinforced steel frame, multi-layer waterproof panels, and smart drainage system, the house can resist damage from storms, heavy rain, flooding, or deep snow. The roof is engineered to bear snow loads, while mold and corrosion-resistant coatings help extend its lifespan. Of course, Tesla does not claim the house is immune to every natural disaster, but compared to conventional tiny homes, the Tesla tiny house offers far greater peace of mind due to its carefully engineered structural strength and materials. What's even more remarkable is the interior space. Though only about 280 feet, the Tesla tiny house is designed to feel surprisingly spacious and comfortable, with a ceiling height of up to approximately 9.2 feet and windows and main doors reaching 7 feet tall. Natural light floods in, visually expanding the space. Inside this tiny home are 4 separate areas: a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The living room is located right by the entrance with enough space to host 2 to 3 guests, featuring a sofa that doubles as a pull-out bed, a coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV. This area can flexibly transform into a home office with composite wood flooring that provides warmth in winter and coolness in summer. The kitchen, though compact, is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, sink, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and multi-tiered cabinets, along with a fold-down dining table integrated into the countertop. Tesla has also incorporated a ventilation and air purification system to minimize cooking odors. The bedroom features a wall-mounted Murphy bed, creating an open and airy space during the day and transforming into a comfortable double bed at night. The bathroom is compact but fully equipped, featuring a tempered frosted glass door, a shower, a minimalist sink, a mirror, and a water-saving toilet. A smart ventilation and air conditioning system helps maintain comfort year-round. Every inch of space is maximized with hidden compartments, floating shelves, and built-in drawers to ensure no space goes to waste. The revolutionary aspect of the Tesla tiny house also lies in its Lego philosophy. Modules can be connected side by side or stacked to expand the living area. Starting with a basic 280 feet module for 2 to 3 people, it can be expanded into a 2 or 3-story home, spacious enough for a family of 5. Users can start small and gradually expand as their needs grow rather than being burdened with a large house from the outset. Regarding energy, for just a few thousand in upgrades, buyers can equip their home with a solar roof to harvest solar power and a Powerwall battery system for storage, all controlled via the Tesla app on their phone. The basic package already includes minimal electricity and water systems, but the upgrade allows the home to be completely energy self-sufficient, providing enough power to run air conditioning, an induction cooktop, a washing machine, and even charge electric vehicles. Additionally, the house features a 1,000-liter freshwater tank, a rainwater harvesting and filtration system, gray water recycling for flushing toilets, and a sealed waste treatment tank. All of these features transform the Tesla tiny house into an independent living ecosystem, perfect for those who want to live off the national grid. What truly surprises many about the Tesla tiny house isn't just its already impressive price of $7,999, but the fact that buyers don't have to spend a single extra dollar on land taxes or construction fees. Normally, when owning a home, the costs of land, permits, taxes, and paperwork are the biggest burden. In many cities, the land value alone can far exceed the price of the house itself. Tesla, however, completely reverses this. They make home ownership as simple an experience as buying a car. Simply place an order and customers receive a fully finished, ready-to-move-in home with no hidden costs. Elon Musk even revealed that if you don't own land, Tesla will provide it for free for the first 2 years in areas they manage. The entire process from manufacturing, shipping to installation is handled by Tesla. This means that when you receive your home, you're not just getting an empty concrete box, but a fully equipped living space with solar power, a smart management system via the Tesla app, and the ability to move in immediately. This directly addresses the biggest bottleneck in the real estate industry, escalating land costs. By eliminating this burden, Tesla opens up home ownership opportunities for millions of people. Imagine this. You order online, a few hours later, a Tesla Semi delivers it to your doorstep. And within 1 to 3 hours, a neat modular home unfolds, fully connected to electricity and water, inspected and ready for you to step inside. No debt, no complicated paperwork, no financial pressure. While it sounds futuristic, Musk confirmed this in a recent meeting. The Tesla tiny house can be delivered within 1 to 2 weeks after ordering. Notably, thanks to its foldable modular design, the house can fit entirely within a Tesla semi-truck bed or even be packed into a shipping container for global transport. Tesla has transformed the dream of owning an affordable, sustainable, and accessible home into a reality, an approach no company has ever dared to take before. We all know Elon Musk is famous for his wild decisions, stuff no other billionaire would likely do. Before moving into this tiny house, Musk owned a bunch of fancy mansions worth tens of millions. But around May 20th, 2020, he sold off nearly all his personal real estate, including those private homes, to live in a humble tiny house right near his workplace. This choice stands out even more when you look at today's reality. Tons of people are still struggling with sky-high rent costs. In the US, the average rent for an apartment usually runs between $1,800 and $2,400 a month. And in big cities like New York, San Francisco, or Los Angeles, it's way higher. Against that backdrop, the fact that one of the richest people on the planet chooses to live in a $45,000 home isn't just surprising, it's a bold statement about living simply and practically. You might think building a tiny house like this would spark a ton of competition for Boxable, but when asked about the risk of others copying their idea, Boxable's pretty confident. They say hardly anyone really gets the tech and processes behind their product. That's a huge advantage that lets them stay ahead in the market for the long haul. Now, after all this, you can probably see why Elon Musk opted for that $45,000 casita home. As we mentioned earlier, he really just needed a temporary spot to crash in a living room setup that made it easier to be close to his company. The second reason Musk went for the casita in our view is that he wanted to back Boxable, a company that's on the same wavelength as him. While Musk is shaking up sustainable zero-emission transportation with Tesla's electric cars, Boxable's mission is to build sustainable, efficient, cost-effective homes faster than traditional construction methods. Musk's always been all in on fighting emissions and pollution, so that could explain why he chose a casita from Boxable. The third reason is something most people probably wouldn't even think of. What if Elon Musk bought this casita to test it out and eventually build similar homes on another planet? Don't forget, Musk has never backed down from his dream of conquering Mars. That mission's only over when SpaceX is done for. So it's not too far-fetched to imagine that one day Musk might pull it off, getting humans, or maybe even something else, like Tesla's Optimus robots up to Mars. Those robots could actually build homes there, and they definitely wouldn't look like the houses we've got here on Earth. So, it seems like another reason Musk's crashing in that $45,000 prefab house is to test the product for his long-term ambitions. The Tesla tiny house, despite its appealing marketing, comes with its own set of challenges you'll need to consider. Tesla claims the home is built with stainless steel, high-density insulation, and materials resistant to water and mold. But in reality, nothing lasts forever. Over time, wear and tear is inevitable. Walls may crack, floors can warp, and windows may lose their seal. Imagine dealing with a leaky window in the middle of a Colorado snowstorm, or mold creeping in during Florida's humid summers. Not exactly a pleasant experience. Insulation is another major concern. If it's not effective enough, winters in the Midwest could leave you shivering, while Texas summers might feel suffocating even with the AC running. That also means higher electricity bills, which undercuts the whole point of choosing a tiny house for cost savings. On top of that, with only about 280 square feet of space, privacy is nearly non-existent. The bedroom, living area, and bathroom overlap, inviting friends over, could mean they see your entire life in a single glance. The limited space also demands a truly minimalist and organized lifestyle. If you're someone who likes to hoard items or collect things, the house can quickly feel cluttered and even stifling. Clearly, the Tesla tiny house offers freedom, but it comes with significant trade-offs. The question is, are you ready to sacrifice traditional comforts in exchange for a minimalist way of life? It's going to take a while. That's the truth. Right now, Tesla has to prioritize bigger projects before it can focus on the housing sector. The company is currently tackling challenges in the electric vehicle market, dealing with market pressures, and addressing public scrutiny surrounding Elon Musk. More importantly, Tesla needs to finalize the production of the Optimus robot and introduce several new EV models this year. That means the tiny house isn't a top priority just yet. Additionally, building a house isn't as straightforward as manufacturing a car. Tesla needs to optimize costs for power walls, solar panels, construction materials, and large-scale assembly. This could make the initial price higher than expected, at least until Tesla reaches a production scale large enough to drive costs down. Musk has brought global attention to modular tiny homes. The proof after people learned that Elon Musk had lived in a boxable tiny house. The company quickly received over 100,000 orders. This highlights Musk's immense influence in promoting the tiny house movement. We believe there will be challenges if Tesla launches a tiny house model. But given Tesla's rapid development and relentless innovation, we expect the tiny house to be released within the next few years. Tesla has the technology and resources to bring this vision to life faster than companies like Boxable. Elon Musk doesn't live in a tiny house because he has to. He lives in a vision that goes beyond the limitations of the present. If a billionaire can live happily in a compact space, why can't we? The Tesla tiny house is more than a product. It's an invitation to rethink how we live, what's sustainable, and what really matters. Is this the future of housing? Or just another wild dream of Elon Musk? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the Tesla tiny house is ushering in a new chapter where the home is not just a place to live, but a symbol of innovation and hope. What do you think about tiny house? Do you want one? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.